traders, this is a quick tutorial on how to add a new Rithmic connection to your FutuCopy trade copier. On the prop connection page, click the Add Connection button in the top right corner of the page. Select Rithmic as the trading platform and click Next. Select a prop firm from the drop-down if it's available. The prop firms in this list already have their server settings pre-configured. If your prop firm is not available in this drop-down, select Rithmic. You will then be able to select an appropriate Rithmic server from the drop-down. Most of eval or sim-funded props will use Rithmic paper trading server. If you have a funded brokerage account, the server will most likely be Rithmic-01. Your prop firm or brokerage will provide this information for you. For this tutorial, let's add a new Booleanox connection. Enter your username and password, which is provided by the prop firm. You can usually find these credentials on the prop firm's website. Click Add Connection and your new connection will appear. You can now click Connect. This will take a few seconds, and once connection is established, your account and balance info will be retrieved. If you have a lot of connections, you can switch to table view for a more compact display. Thank you and have a profitable week.